Alright, so I told y'all I was going to buy this little heater and sit in the car waiting on orders. I'm not going to do any more orders tonight, but I am going to sit in the car for a minute and have me a little cigarette. I went in, I got my little pee on. Y'all know I had to pee. I bought this little cord for $3.98. It's a 12-foot cord. It goes to my extension cord. It's got 3 outlets. So I got 2 for my phone to charge and 1 for this heater. Mainstay 350 watt compact design little heater. Well, I dropped the phone. It's $10 and change, y'all. So I got burgundy. It's black, gray, burgundy, and blue. It's tiny. It's tiny. So we're going to see how it works. I'm just going to set it right here down here on the floorboard. Because I don't think... It says it's perfect for things like sitting at your desk at work to keep your tootsies warm. And that's basically what I wanted to do. So I don't have to turn my car on and off and on and off and on and off. So anyway, it's a teeny tiny 350 watt cord, 350 watt heater. Okay. You gotta make sure you don't. Y'all. Alright. Now let's not stab ourselves because that would hurt. I got my plugs in for my phone. Alright, let's plug this bad boy in. Let's unplug my phones. I try to keep my phones charged at all times because I'm always working on. I'm going to read my little book while I'm out here smoking my cigarette and having my soda. Alright, so I have them. Alright, what are you... Wait. I'm just a random cord plugged in. Oh! Yeah, that cord goes into that phone. Alright, so I got it plugged in. How do I turn it on? Boy, if you don't work. Let's see. Think. Well, the light's not coming on. Alright, lights on, lights off, lights on. Alright, I have it down by my feet. Down there. I don't even know. Y'all see the little lights on down there? I will tell you, oh, I definitely smell it. It's probably burning off whatever they first put on there. And we will see. I have my little blankie that I'm going to have up top on my lap. I usually set the blankie all the way down by my feet because the feet are where it gets coldest. So I'll have it on for a while and then I'll let y'all know how it's working later. Alright, peace. Like and subscribe. Oh, you definitely smell it when you first turn it on. So it's working. We'll see if it actually keeps my tootsies warm while I sit in the car. That way I won't have to burn any gas. Turn the car on, heat the car up, turn it back up again, yada yada. This is Kathy for Gig Driving for a Living, making that money, y'all. and saving where we can.